Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have a BMW engine computer, and we are trying to swap it or clone it. So let's go together what we need. I am using Hexaproc. As you see, this is what I have. Hexaproc. They have a new adapter. As you notice here, Hexaproc. This side here, it gives you power. And this one here, this one give you grounds. Based on the connector that you need, you're going to choose what you are looking for. And the other one is a ground. And here is a communication line. I'm using CAN high, CAN low. And I'm also using the, what they call ground, CAN bus high, CAN bus low. And also they call it clock signal. Clock signal 1, clock signal 2, which is the pin 51 on this side here, the green and the blue. Here is the computer, as you see here. After you put it together, you need to come to the diagram, like here. Let me go out from the beginning. This is the Hexaproc. I'm going to click on it. And we try to clone this computer. The owner say that this computer have, you go to bench program and no tuning, and then go to cars. And this computer is MEVD17.2.6. Now you're going to double click on it to choose it. And then you're going to go through factory mode and then click next. On next here, it will give you, you just need to get backup and restore. Backup and restore. Two options. Here, you're going to go to wiring. It will show you where the wiring is, how it look, what are you going to use. This is the computer that I'm using it. You see the way I put it in. And if you scroll down, it will give you the pins. What are you going to use as a ground? 2 power, CAN high, CAN low, clock signal. After you are sure, click here. And then be sure that your machine is well connected. Be sure you have power and USB connected to the laptop. And then just write down to backup. Just do backup. Click here. It will communicate with the tools. Take some time, and it will start doing the backup. You see, unlocking the ECU, and now reading the P flash, and then it will read the D flash. As soon as you have a backup, try to save it, write down the information for it. Then you are going to disconnect this software the same way. You're going to bring the other one. They have one here. It's not, it's not disconnected yet. I'm going to disconnect all this connector out of it. And I will choose the same way, the connector that I'm going to use. Plug it in. You can back it up, save it in case, and then restore using this software that you are reading now. A lot of BMW computer, you can clone it and they work fine, no problem. And this one works for a lot of cars. XDrive 35i, 8 automatic transmission, engine code N55B30M0. See, now reading the D flash. Done. He give you the spot where you put it in. So this is a backup flash. You're gonna put down original. Let me use my 2 hands to write it down. I'm coming back. I did this one here. I'm gonna save it now. Now I'm gonna if you wanna know what the ECU information, you can click here. It will give you the ECU information. What kind of ECU, what car is it, what VIN number, and he can give you also the VIN number and the ID number, the FCC number. See, now this is 6943. This is the original VIN number of the car. I'm gonna close it. Now I'm gonna go read the other one. So what I'm gonna do is I will try to disconnect those. If you wanna do it on the top of this one, yes, but you know what, disconnect it and put them back together by following the instruction, because you need the space. This one is done. We already clone it. Let me disconnect the connector here. I'm gonna do this one by putting my machine on the stand. Stay with us. Also consider that this car is on you have this car, this computer is in the car. If you want to disconnect them, the first one is to come here, pull this one and try to put something like this, and pull it out. This is the first one. Okay, now the second one is kind of funny. You have to have a little bit of power. And pull it out. If you don't have, maybe you have to get something. Don't move it too much. I'm gonna try to get something to hold it and push it. The same one to this one. Hold with me. I use this one here just to squeeze a little bit, because not too much, just a little bit. Open it so that you can, and then hold it from here and go out with it. Let me show you here. It's kind of funny. Okay, take it out. I didn't squeeze, but you see here. Just be careful and move it. Now the rest are easy. This one here, just with your hand, you see here, push this down, and then this also same, and the last one. Good. Now we come to the connector. I'm gonna come here. We take the wires. I'm gonna go to the wiring diagram there, and here I don't know which one you can see. Okay, I'm gonna go here, look at the wiring again. You remember the wiring? I will scroll down and I have the same thing. So I'm gonna start by ground. This is a ground wire. I will take only one. And I say this one here, 1, 2. This one, 1, 2. Now, we need 2 powers. The first power, this is here, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. The third one is power. The fourth one is orange with the can high, can low. This one. So I have to go put it there. Okay. Now this one here is the fifth one. Now we have one power here. One is phase down power. One is phase down power. Now we have to take the green one and the light blue to this one here, the green, number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 from the top here. Stay with us. Okay, and the other one, the light blue, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 from the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Okay. Now we are here. I did this here. Connector is okay. Now I will come here to my hex proc. Okay. Okay, now what I need to do is, let me first see the ECU information. That's only I see the information, but I don't see the VIN number. It's okay. I'm gonna close it. Now the second thing is to backup. We are going to read it. You see here, it's gonna start reading the flash. After I read the flash, I will go back to the original one and I will write it back. And I will read the VIN number. It will be different. Even so, this one doesn't have a VIN number, but I am positively sure it will be different. I'm gonna wait a little bit. You see here, start reading. The power supply. Just take your time. After I write it, you have a chance to read it again, or just read the information to confirm. This one is going to be a junkyard one. Stay with us. Okay, here I have it. I will write down junkyard. Okay, stay with us. I write down this one for YouTube junkyard and I will save it. Okay, if you are using Hexaproc, this is the way you do. If you're using other tool, we're gonna look for that one later. Now what you need to do, go to backup or restore. Restore which one you want. This is junkyard. This is original. I'm gonna open here and it will start writing right away. Initialize communication ECU, and it will, I'm gonna write this one here. Writing, erasing, erasing, writing, erasing, writing, writing P flash, erasing, P flash, writing, erasing, After I write it, I will read it again to be sure that I write down the right thing. Thank you for watching, and I really appreciate your support. I don't want to cut anything. I just give you a raw service that it will show you what is the differences. Now writing the D flash again, complete. Now, after you complete it, just let me see what is gonna happen on the flash. Good? Yeah, I already wrote it. I just want to read
also the Mercedes is good?
Okay, now let me read the ECU. I am reading the engine computer after I write it down. I'm supposed to, you see now, I'm getting the VIN number and the pin code. Before I don't have that one. So this job is done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. And see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Thank you.